shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Amy and today we are doing a Christmas time cozy clean with me. Christmas is less than a week away at this point and there are a lot of things on my to-do list that I still need to get done to prepare for Christmas and for guests and all of that good stuff. So if you need motivation today and you're ready to cozy up and get in the Christmas spirit, make sure you keep on watching. And I'm also super excited to announce that today's video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Denise. Her channel is amazing. I love all of her videos. Her cleaning motivation and motherhood content is the best, you guys. You're gonna absolutely love her channel. She has two sweet little girls, Theo and Lenny. They're adorable and she's just the sweetest, most relatable person. I absolutely love her. So make sure you go check out her channel after watching today's video. I'll have all of her information linked in the description below. So one of my favorite ways to get my home feeling cozy and just kind of getting in that nesting mood is to bake something. So I'm starting off here baking a loaf of bread, which I absolutely love to do, and this recipe is super easy. If you have a bread machine, I'll leave it linked down below, but this takes exactly 1 hour to bake once I get it started. So the boys are napping and this is my afternoon kind of cleaning schedule. I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning today and this is literally going to be a power hour, getting as much done as I can while this bread bakes. And once that's done, I'm going to show you a really easy, yummy lunch recipe. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around to the very end. I just am quickly going to tidy up my kitchen from making a little bit of a mess from making that bread. And here I'm just cleaning up the sink and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the peppermint scent. So I'm actually feeling a little under the weather while I was filming this video, so I apologize for my appearance. I had taken a shower on this morning, but it was real stay-at-home mom life on this day. I did not do my hair or my makeup, and I'm basically wearing pajamas in this video, but that's okay, that's real life. But I say that because I'm going to be cleaning everything today with the Thieves All-Purpose Household Cleaner from Young Living. Like I've said before in several of my videos, Thieves is amazing for just your immune support, and I just wasn't feeling great, so I wanted to make sure that I was getting a little bit of an immune boost while cleaning today and just kind of making sure I am keeping my family healthy. If you're coming over from Denise's channel, or maybe you're just new around here today, I wanted to say welcome. I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. Here on my channel, I do a ton of real life stay-at-home mom motivation. I have 3 kids, Emma, Grayson, and Graham. They are 4, 2, and 11 months. And we just kind of embrace the chaos over here, and it's real life. It's not perfect, it's messy, but I wouldn't have it any other way. And it would not be a cozy cleaning video if I didn't take a quick coffee break. Isn't this mug the cutest thing? And now we're moving on to the family room, which was not messy. As I mentioned before, I just needed to straighten up the pillows. And now I'm just going to dust all of the furniture, vacuum some of the furniture, and vacuum the floors as well. I cannot believe that Christmas is only a week away. Actually, it's less than a week away at this point. The Christmas season literally flew by this year. I don't know what happened. I feel so behind and feel so ready all at the same time. It's definitely a mix of emotions, but I just really love this time of year. There's nothing like it. It's just so warm and festive and fun, and I have just really enjoyed putting out Christmas content for you guys. I'm going to be having one more Christmas video going up on Monday, and that's going to be a get your home ready for guests video. But while we're in the Christmas spirit, maybe this one last time, I wanted to ask you guys a couple of Christmas questions. So what is your favorite Christmas cookie? What is your favorite Christmas song or maybe album? And what did you ask for Christmas this year? Like, what is on the top of your Christmas list? I really love this Aunt Fanny's brand that's on the Grove Collaborative. So when I saw she came out with a carpet refresher, I really wanted to try it because it's all natural and she always uses non-toxic fragrances. This was infused with lemon and peppermint essential oils, and oh my goodness, it made my carpet smell so good. So if you use Grove, make sure you go and get yourself some because you will not regret it.
Every single day, you set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you.
So it's pretty typical in our routine that during nap time, I do my deep cleaning routine and Emma has her quiet time. And she just popped out from having quiet time and she really wanted to help me fold laundry. So of course I had to let her because she has been so cute lately. She's been trying to help so much more, and it's been so much fun seeing her be more interested in cooking and taking care of Graham and just doing household things. Like, it's just fun to watch her grow up before my eyes. I cannot believe how big she's getting. So in here, I'm just going to quickly vacuum up these chairs. They get really kind of dusty and they get hair on them, and because they're white, everything shows up. So I like to vacuum these every couple of weeks. I don't do it nearly as often as I should, but I'm doing that, and then I'm also going to wipe down the table and the bench area and vacuum the floors.
Like this, chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen.
And today I decided to diffuse Christmas Spirit, which is a blend of orange, cinnamon, and clove, and it really does smell like Christmas. It made the whole house smell amazing.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody.
Moving on to this bench area, you have probably seen it look different in every single Clean With Me video the last few weeks. I think I've changed it about 10 times, but regardless of how it looks, it really needed to be clean today. So I actually had to vacuum it first. There were so many little particles and pieces, and then I'm just giving it a quick dusting, and it felt really good to have it clean. I don't think I had cleaned it since my original Clean and Decorate With Me video, which obviously no one ever really sits here, so it's not something that needs to be cleaned that often, but it will collect dust. So I decided to do it one more time before guests arrive here for Christmas. But you kind of get to see a redecorate of this space. I just went with a really pretty eucalyptus garland and just added some really simple red pillows.
Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's
I remember a really wise friend of mine once telling me that if you treat your stay-at-home mom job like a regular 9 to 5, you will have such an easier time managing your tasks. And that could not be truer. I have been trying so hard. I've been making it a priority to, in every free moment, not treat it like a free moment and just really get things done around my house and with YouTube. And I'm just trying so hard to make it a priority to just be productive during the day so that in the evenings I can spend time with my family and not have guilt. I can watch a Christmas movie with my husband. I can just really enjoy this holiday season. Now, I'm not perfect. There are days I literally sit on the couch and watch a Christmas movie by myself during nap time because I need it, but you really do need to find that balance. But all of that to say, I wanted to encourage you guys who are at home during the day, try your hardest to just get as much done as you can during nap time, during just any free little moment, and you're gonna feel so much better.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this.
I had so much fun decorating this dining hutch for the Christmas season. I'm gonna be so sad to take the decor down when it's time, but for the most part of me is somewhat ready to take my Christmas decor down and go back to my neutral palette. I'm not used to having so much red and color around my house. I love it, don't get me wrong, but there is a small part of me that's ready to just kind of have that neutral, basic, all year round decor. Is anybody else with me? Are you a little bit like over the clutter? Let me know in the comments below. I'm probably the only one that feels this way, but I'm just kind of curious. Let me know. There is nothing like the smell of fresh baked bread in your kitchen. Oh my goodness, this smells heavenly. But I'm gonna be making my super simple chicken salad recipe. I make this almost every single week and it's a staple in my house for lunches or just a grab and go snack. But it's just celery, chopped grapes, almonds, and shredded rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. It doesn't get any easier than that. And then I usually include a combination of mayo and Greek yogurt. Sometimes if I don't have Greek yogurt, just mayo is totally fine, but the key to this is salt and tons of fresh cracked pepper. That really makes all the difference in this recipe, but it's super easy, super delicious, and it's great if you stay at home. You can make it ahead and eat it for several days, or even if you do work outside of the home, you can easily pack this. Now, I don't always have this with homemade bread, although I am today, and it's gonna be delicious, but sometimes you can eat it just by itself if you're going low carb, or sometimes I'll usually use a sprouted bread or crackers, and that's delicious too.
About everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
So I'm quickly just going to mix this up and throw it on a piece of bread and eat it open-faced, and voila, you have a perfectly delicious lunch. But I just wanted to say quickly, thank you so much for watching today. Again, if you're new, coming over from Denise's channel, I'm so glad that you're here, and I'll see you all really soon in my next one. Bye guys.